Hello everyone, welcome to Crash Chronicles, where we showcase 60 incredible moments on the road that you won't believe. Turn on the best sound for the ultimate viewing experience. Let's go. I think the terrible driver in the pickup truck intentionally caused a collision with the car in the same lane. The idiot in the car was speeding and crashed straight into a line of stopped vehicles. After causing the accident, he fled the scene. Who do you think was at fault in this crash? The Toyota was in the wrong lane when the driver attempted to make a right turn, causing a collision with the car behind. I believe these cars were in a high-speed chase and one lost control, crashing into the divider due to excessive speed. What happened to that car? According to the Ford driver, his brakes suddenly failed and he couldn't stop, leading to a collision with the vehicles in front. The pickup truck hydroplaned due to the slippery road and collided with two cars ahead. It seems the pickup truck driver didn't pay attention and suddenly reversed into the car behind. A driver rear-ended an SUV, then got sideswiped by a Kia Soul, which in turn hit another car. This crash involved 4 vehicles. That car was probably going too fast to avoid obstacles on the road, leading to the accident. A car was rear-ended, pushing it into an oncoming vehicle. All 3 cars were damaged in the crash.
Yeah, that should be just fine. I'll go ahead and I'll book you for a consultation for tomorrow. What time do you think you'll show up?
I've never seen a worse driver. He caused the crash and fled the scene in an unstable state.
Yeah.
What do you think happened to that car? Maybe the slippery road prevents it from stopping. This weather doesn't seem safe for driving. It's too easy to get into accident. A pickup truck was hit by a reckless car running a red light, causing it to flip over. Thankfully, everyone inside was rescued and is safe. Which car do you think was at fault?
That's a wreck.
Yep, caught that on dash cam.
Stores. If you double your office space, we do furniture.
It's the same place.
God!
You say that again. Now get everything you need. Free next business day shipping or what?
A car lost control, skidded on the road, and crashed into a light pole. Regular maintenance could help avoid these unexpected accidents. A distracted driver caused a chain reaction crash involving 5 cars on the highway. The reckless pickup truck driver rear-ended a car while trying to cut into the lane to overtake. What was that Honda trying to do on the road? Thanks for watching this episode of Idiots in Cars. Which clip shocked you the most? Who do you think was at fault in some of these crashes? Share your thoughts in the comments below.